Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Squid Game cookies, Dalgona candy. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need some sugar and some baking soda. That's it. I'm going to make 2 cookies, so I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of sugar and 2 pinches of baking soda. So you want to have everything out before you start your recipe. So I have my sugar and my baking soda. I have some parchment paper. I've got a saucepan and I'm already heating it. You want to heat it to medium low. And then I also have this cake pan that I sprayed with cooking spray and wiped it with a paper towel because you need something to flatten out your cookies. And then of course you need a cookie cutter. So I have this star here. I have my sugar in a saucepan over medium-low heat, and I have a spatula here that I'm just going to stir it with as soon as it starts melting on the sides. You want to just keep stirring it because you don't want it to burn. This is what it is looking like after 1 minute, and I'm just stirring mine with a rubber spatula. You just want to just keep on moving it around because you don't want any of it to burn. My first cookie burnt. That looks great, so I removed it from the burner, and I'm going to hurry up and add my pinch of baking soda. I immediately added my baking soda after I pulled it off of the heat when everything was melted, stirred it until it was incorporated, pour it out onto your parchment paper as quickly as possible, and then I just pressed it down with my cookie pan that I sprayed with cooking spray because this is very sticky, and then you immediately press in your cookie cutter. Now we're going to let these set up and see if Taste Tester can break it free. Okay, we have one for Taste Tester. Your time starts now.
Cut the last piece off.
All right, everyone, he did it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.